Unlocking the power of verbs in English grammar. Let's begin by unlocking the true power of verbs in English grammar. Verbs express action, state, or occurrence in every sentence we use. They bring clarity, energy, and purpose to your writing and speaking. Mastering verbs improves structure, fluency, and precision. Let's explore the types, forms, and rules that shape every sentence. What is a verb? Let's understand what a verb really is. A verb shows action, state, or an event that takes place. Every complete sentence must contain at least one verb. Examples include run, is, feel, and become. Without verbs there would be no movement or meaning in a sentence. Main verbs, action or state. Let's begin with main verbs that show either action or condition. Action verbs include eat, write, and build. State verbs express thoughts or feelings like know, believe, and seem. They usually follow the subject in a sentence. These verbs form the core of most English expressions. Auxiliary verbs, helping verbs. Let's explore auxiliary verbs, also known as helping verbs. They support the main verb by showing tense, question, or negation. Common auxiliaries include be, do, and have. Example: she is running fast. They give sentences structure and time reference. Modal verbs. Let's look at modal verbs which express possibility, permission, or obligation. Common modals include can, could, may, might, must, should, and will. They always come before the base form of the main verb. For example, you must study harder. They help express attitude and certainty. Verb forms and tenses. Let's understand verb forms and how they build different tenses. The base form is play, past is played, present participle is playing. These forms are used to express present, past, future, and perfect tenses. Each form tells us when the action happened. Knowing these forms helps you build accurate timelines in writing. Transitive versus intransitive verbs. Let's examine the difference between transitive and intransitive verbs. A transitive verb needs an object like she plays the piano. An intransitive verb does not need an object like he sleeps soundly. Understanding this helps you avoid sentence fragments and errors. It also improves how you connect actions to meaning. Finite and non-finite verbs. Let's now discuss finite and non-finite verbs. A finite verb changes according to subject or tense, like he walks. A non-finite verb does not change and includes infinitives, participles, and gerunds. Examples include to walk, walking, and walked. These forms are important in combining multiple ideas smoothly. Subject-verb agreement. Let's focus on subject-verb agreement. A singular subject takes a singular verb while a plural subject takes a plural verb. Example: she runs is correct while she run is not. This rule keeps your sentence balanced and grammatically correct. Always match your verb form with the subject of the sentence. Improving verb usage. Let's finish by learning how to improve your verb usage. Use active voice whenever possible to make writing stronger. Choose precise verbs instead of general ones to increase clarity. Avoid repeating the same verbs too often. Practice rewriting dull sentences with more powerful verb choices. Let's conclude this session on mastering verbs. We have covered verb types, tenses, usage, and common rules. Verbs are the engine of your English sentence. Use them accurately to express your ideas with power and clarity. Thank you and keep learning with us at hegsdc.com.